Hello, 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 and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this vlog. I am getting ready. I have some errands that I need to run for our little gathering tomorrow, and just get some things so that I can set it up and make it look nice and all that good stuff. And I have yet a lot that I need to do. So, hope you guys have been having a happy, what is this, the second week of March. No matter what it looks like, no matter what the challenges are, I thank God that we are more than overcomers. Yep, and yep. So, I am just getting myself ready. What happened to this hair right here? Huh, I don't know. Let's push that back over here. I wonder. Anyway, that's interesting. Anyhow, yeah. So, I'm gonna go and add a little bit of makeup. Okay, I am going to just put on a little bit of blush before I head out, just to give a little bit of color. I do not have any, what is it called? Foundation or anything like that on. Don't want any on. Just want to make it real simple. Just really simple. And, I think I might just do an eyeliner. And I have my e.l.f. charcoal. And then that's probably just going to be it. Not even going to put, what do you call it? Eyebrows. I'm not going to do them because why? I have bangs. So, yeah. Yeah, there's some strange occurrences going on. And all I can do is be like, ooh, I have to just give it to God. I have never seen anything like this in my life. I really haven't, but I know one thing. The testimony is going to be phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So, yeah. So this is all I'm going to do for my face. Get my glasses on here. And let me see, where am I going to go? I have to run to the hardware store. I need to go to the Dollar Tree. I need to go to, I might be going to Sam's Club. I have to decide about that one. I just have a few places I have to go. I may and I may not take you guys in with me because we'll see how that works out. But yeah, this is the look right here. Just simple, just simple. And then I'll show you what I'm wearing. Nothing fancy, just simple. This is the look. I have my brown bag on. I can't remember how... Brahmin bag. It's like an alligator skin. And these are the $1.97 pants I got the other day. I got them extra baggy because that's how I wanted them to fit. So yeah. And I have on my olive green tennies, and of course my camouflage top. So I am just gonna add some lip color and my baby lips, and then we're gonna get going. Whew. Hello everyone and good morning. It is happy Saturday. Yesterday I was busy shopping around, so that I could, God, so that I could get things together for our girls' day that we are having today at my place. It's not even going to be at my place anymore. Had a situation took place, and I actually was quite devastated. I hate inconveniencing anyone, period. But yeah, so I am getting ready, and I just had to get on here because while I'm getting ready, because I only have a few minutes to get myself together here. So yeah, yep. It's just one of those days where it just seems like any way I can be distracted, any way that can sort of throw me off course. It's like that's the attack of the day. But you know what? I am not gonna let it bother me. I'm just not doing it. I'm gonna go and have a great time and just have a great time with my family, with the girls. Yep, that's the plan. And I also want to thank all of you that have been checking out my channel and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I love it even all the more because I get to go and look at more of your channels and comment and share in the things that I am passionate about. And I am very passionate about cooking and trying to do makeup. Yeah, because there's a certain way of doing things. But right now I'm just doing a simple little makeup. Nothing big, nothing special. After what happened today, yeah, it's really super windy out here where I live, and I was not able to have the barbecue because it can cause a fire because I live around a wooded area, and you know, just right near my home here, and they don't want no fires, so I don't want a fire either. So anyhow, gotta do what you gotta do. So anyhow, I am going to show you what I'm wearing as soon as I get my hair done. It's just gonna be a simple bun, ponytail, or something like that. I'm getting ready to put some bangs in. Scent of the day, I think I'm going to be wearing Cherry. I don't even know who it's by, but yeah, I'll probably show you that while I'm showing you my outfit. So let me see. Lip color, I think I will do, let's see here. I think I'm going to do the Pink Punch in the baby lips. I don't want nothing extravagant. It's just us girls. But I gotta feel good about myself. I wasn't gonna put any makeup on. Just, you know, I'm gonna say conditioned my face. I moisturized my face and Pink Punch, huh? This look like it should be called White Ash. Okay, well, that's not gonna work. Let me see. I love pink lipstick. I really do. I am a pink lipstick girly. What's this gonna look like? Ooh. Yeah, I think this will work. Yeah, that's it. Oh, wait, no, I gotta put on some, where's that at? I need to Put on some eyeliner. Make my eyes pop a little bit. Just a little bit. So it is the day that the Irish celebrate not Thanksgiving, Lord forgive me, or the Irish forgive me, St. Patrick's Day. And they don't do it on Sunday when it falls on a Saturday, I think, because they said, from what I heard, it's a holy day because it's on a Sunday, so they party on Saturday. So happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. I had an aunt that's no longer with us. My God, bless her soul. And she is full-blooded Irish, and I love her dearly. So, did I put blush on? I did. I put enough on. I don't need nothing more than that. So this is it. Now I'm just giving me some bangs and get the stuff ready and be on my way. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay. This is what I'm wearing. These are the new pants that I got. Yeah, I love how they fit. I love these buttons, and they're really secure on here too. Nice and oh, look how the thing is. So they don't pop off or come undone. They're really tight. Love that. And yeah, I just have on this sweater, my green socks, and then I'm just gonna throw on and I'm gonna just throw on my cute, ugly shoes that are so comfortable and I love so much. I know I'm looking crazy with these green socks, with these green socks showing. Oh, but I'll not be wearing my shoes in the house, so it's okay. Oh, what a day, what a day. Woo, what a day. Look at my cousin's plate. Look at that. My cousin made these, did the barbecue, smoked it up. I haven't tasted it yet. But she made the broccoli cheese. What is it called? Broccoli salad. She made the broccoli salad. And my other cousin made the mac and cheese, y'all. Look at this mac and cheese. Hold up, people. Okay, look at. Good, I'm taking this bite of this mac and cheese.
Yeah, he been trying to get that little piece.
Yo, he gotta get it back.
Wait a minute, hold up. He's finna have it. Okay, baby, you gonna get it back.
Oh my goodness.
See, that's how good. Let me show you the ribs are. That's how good the ribs are. He crying real tears. Look at that. That was good, huh?
Yeah.
Mama took that off.
I did it in.
Yeah.
See, we're having it. We're doing it over here, y'all. This is good. This is the thing. I now pronounce you macaroni and cheese and wife.
What?
You may
Okay, wait a minute.
enjoy your bride. This is so good.
Be careful, baby.
I told her she needs to market
You make it
this.
so good, I'm choking on it.
I know. Here you go. He's like, I don't want nothing to drink.
Can I do the hello family?
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, hello. Hi.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Mac Chef to the left, Grill Master in the center, and the two jokesters in the back. I love my family so much. Well, hello. Woo! I am pooped out. I am home. I put my pajamas on. I'm in bed. I'm relaxing. I'm about to take a nap. We had such a good, wonderful, absolutely fabulous time. So yeah, this is how I'm ending this vlog with a see you later. Enjoy your day. Be safe on this St. Patrick's Day weekend. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Happy St. Patrick's Day to those that celebrate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Blessings.